Good morning, students. I welcome you back for my next session of computer science class. As we have already studied about the operations on binary files like write, read, and append, search, update, the only operation which was left is the delete operation. In today's class, we would like to finish or would like to complete our delete operation also with the programming example. Now, like in other operations, the deleting record from a binary file also involves the following steps. What you have to do is, first we have to open the file in read mode. We have to get all the data from a file in a particular list. Then you close it there. Then reopen the file in write mode. Search the record to be deleted. If not found, keep on copying or appending the data into your list. Suppose if it is found, don't write that record, okay, or don't write that data, because we want to delete it. It is something like this. Suppose you have a 10 objects, 7th object I don't want, so up to first 6 objects I will collect and keep it. 7th object I don't take, then 8, 9, 10 objects also I will take. Means earlier there were 1 to 10 objects, but now except 7 I have all other objects. Means 7 is deleted from my list. That is what the concept used here. Once after appending all the records except that record which you want to delete, okay, write that data back and close the file and see whether that record is deleted or not, right? This is we can do it through the our Python ideally. So let me go to the Python ideally here. Already we have so many examples, but I don't want, only I will read, I will keep it. Remember our data file is stud1 dot dot. Right now I will read and execute and show you, then I will write the delete function. So right now when I am reading, there are 3 records, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can delete any one record from this when our delete function starts working. So let me write a delete function now here. Let me write, okay, def delete. Okay, initially what we told, we have to read in read mode, right? I will take this, copy, paste, read student1 dot in read mode, then collect read all dot pickle load. That is what you have to read. And read what we'll do, just see here. After opening it, okay, just will collect and keep it here. Load F, just will keep it. Just we have read all the records in this. Yes, next, then we need to close it. F dot close. This is what our, this was explained here. Open the file in read mode, get all the data from the file, close the file. Now what you have to do is, like how in searching we have to indirectly search the record to be deleted, no? So here what we will do now, this record I will copy this one. Here I want to take roll number R num, Rn equal to roll number equal to input, enter roll number to be deleted enter roll number to be deleted, right? That you have entered now. Now what you have to do, you make a your try exception. That is what we have done in search now. Just see here. Okay, or simply with for loop also you can do it, no problem. Okay, where I would try to read now. Keep on reading. Okay, which one will use? We will use this logic, no problem. Or I in S. Okay, no problem. We will take here uh, while true, try. What you have to do now? You keep on. Before that you have to open in write mode. Now we have to, okay, here what you have to do now, f open student dot in write mode, copy, paste. This I will open in write mode. Earlier it was open. While to try. So what you have to do now, here you can just see in reading also what I have done here. Read. Okay, try, get a record, check it, right? Now we need not load here, already we have loaded here. Now only we have to check for I in yes. If I of 0 means your roll number is equal to R num, what you have entered, Rn na, what you have entered, Rn. Then I don't want to write that, I will just continue. Okay. In each record, if the roll number is found, I will not write. Otherwise, what I will do, what I should do, I should write it. How I will write it now? Pickle dot dump, into bracket your I, that record is to be written, right? Load is okay. Where you should write in your let me take one separate here, rec list I will take. There I keep on writing. So I will write here rec comma I will keep on dump that, start dumping that record. Okay, if it is found, I will not write, otherwise I will keep on writing. So here try exception. What was the logic? We have written exception E error na, for try and as except EOF error, will break it. Except EOF error will break it. Okay, means the moment all it is writing is over, then we will break it. Now what you will do, we will close the file, that's all. Here outside each record by record you have written, otherwise you are not written. Dump okay. Now we have to do this. F dot seek 0. F dot 0 means we will set back to beginning, otherwise your pointer has moved at the end after dumping. Your here I have written, here you have made load na, so the pointer has reached now there. Here also pointer has reached to the end, make it 0, bring it back. Now you write pickle dot dump, your rec list. After coming out, try accept error while true. Okay, here I think I should not write dumping, I should not do here. Okay, the writing is, that is the only way. So record by record we have written here entire this one here. Let me save and run. Let me call it here. After first we'll read and then we'll call delete. Let us see how it will work. Save, run, any error it will show. Now enter roll number to be deleted. No, I will not run this because after deletion I want to display and see whether it is deleted or not. Let me save, run. Roll number 2 I want to delete. Error is showing. Okay, what it is showing here? Delete pickle dump rec.i. File must have a right attribute. File must have a right attribute. Where here I should write not try for ins if I is equal to 0 continue, otherwise I have to write here. Okay, f I have to write here, right attribute. Whole load f you have written, that I should write in dump. I think error is showing here. Dump structure comma f here. Okay, save, let me run. Okay, error in ran out of range. Pickle load f. Then delete pickle load f. S equal to pickle load f here. Save. I will only read it will work or not. Let me check. Okay. Save and run. Read also, it is not working. Means what has happened here is it has reached out of stock. Okay, so here the problem is your read is not working. Open file student.1. Initially it was working. Okay, now what I will do is, for my sake, write I will call, I will enter some new data. So therefore I will call here write. Then I will read and let me see. Okay, run. Then I will come for this one. Enter roll number 1, name, marks, yes. Roll number 2, name, marks, yes. Roll number 3, name, marks, yes. Roll number 4, name, marks, no. Okay, it has displays our 4 records. Now write and read is working. Freshly I have written the stud.1. Now I will remove this write, otherwise once again it will start asking. Now what I will do is I will call delete and then I will call read. After deleted or not I want to check. So let us say run, and suppose roll number 3 I want to delete. Error it is showing. File write.py and in delete pickle dump rec I. Okay, here in the structure rec I, here I have to close. Okay, yep, dot close. I opened a file handle, closed here, roll number, opened it in write mode. For ins I will check continue. Let me display whether it is getting or not. Print out I will just print whether record it is getting or not. Let us see. If continue, or it will pickle dump. Dump I should not run 2 times. Rec equal to I. Append I had to write, I think here, right? That is what I have done the mistake here. So rec dot append the I. Okay, I have to append it, right? Let me see. Run. Now once again it starts showing. I have to run it once again. Let me write, no problem. Now I will remove this delete. I will remove this read. Just I have to enter once again freshly. I will write and read. Then I will execute the delete. Save, run. roll number 1 AAA 12, yes, roll number 2 BBB marks, yes, roll number 3 GGG marks, yes, roll number 4 TTD marks, no. So 4 records it is written now. Okay, now I will not call the write, otherwise it will create. Just I will delete, because my delete function should work. Then I will, okay, it is showing okay, now only I will first read and then delete. Let me see, is there any error in our delete? Okay, I want to delete number 3. Okay, 3 it is showing here in the loop. 3 is here somewhere. I have written print INA. Okay, I don't want to print. What it is? For I in S, if it is found, continue, don't write, otherwise you write it. Else I have to write now. Else only I have not written, that's why it is showing error. Else it should write now. Okay, right. Now save, run. Now here in continue, before continuing I would like to print now. Why I should remove that? Print I, right? Let me save and run. Now once again I have to create. It is showing the input error. So I will create now. Okay, let me run. Roll number 1 name marks, yes. Roll number 2 name marks. Roll number 3 name marks. Stop. No, it has displayed 3. Okay, successfully, data written successfully and shown. Now I will not call write, now I will only call delete. Then required will recall the run module. Okay, roll number 2 deleted is 2. Okay. What is happening here? While true is not required, I think this will remove, because it remains true only. Now let me run, save and run. Okay, while is required. While true I have written while earlier. Okay, in case of search I have not written. While try, while true, try for INS is equal to print and continue. Is equal to ornamentar, number is 0, print I, continue, else append it. Remove this, say run. Why it is infinitely? It is once again it is showing error of that. UEF error, back end of file it is reaching. So the file has made here. Otherwise I will remove the try wala, because earlier I have to search it, that's all. For INS me try and accept will not take this. Okay, let me try this. If continue, else append rec, keep on adding those in the list. Okay, except append I, except error is not there, this we'll see later. Okay, then we'll bring back to the pointer to the beginning, then we'll dump it and then we'll close it. Now once again it is showing error. I will write some records. I will not call delete now. First write and read. Okay, let us see. Run, enter roll number 1, name, marks, roll number, okay, second record, roll number 2, marks, yes, roll number 3, name, marks, no. Okay, 3 records are written. Okay, now I will remove this right. I will call delete. Then one more I can call read. Let us see. It is no. First I will check my delete function is working or not. Okay, save, run. Enter roll number to be deleted 2. It is deleted 100%. Now I have to only read and see my roll number has gone or not. Okay, now let me run. Yes, roll number 2 is deleted successfully. Earlier I has 1 2 3, now 3. This is what my logic, right? Now I will once again call delete. One more record I want to delete, then and there only I want to see. Now run. I want to delete roll number 3. Roll number 1 is, third is gone, and after that read I have called. This is how you have to delete. The only thing what I am doing is one by one record I am taking it. If roll number is matching, I will not appending it, otherwise I will appending it. Means except that record all are written here and we are dumping in the file and we are closing it. This formula, this is how we can work with the delete operation. Okay, so our next we will continue in our next class, right? Till then we'll stop at this juncture. I will continue in my next class.